Hello, my name is Zach Buchler and I'm a Senior Technology Architect at New Relic. Today I want to talk to you about how easy it is to understand how network performance and overall system performance impact each other using New Relic's Network Performance Monitoring solution. Is it the network? Is a question you've probably asked countless times when things break. But you might have lacked access to network data to answer that question, or perhaps that data was in a different tool, isolated from app and infra performance data. Either way, it was nearly impossible to correlate network performance with that of your apps and infrastructure to understand how network performance impacts your entire system and your customers. All too often, this lack of visibility leads to firefighting and frustration, increasing the time it takes you to resolve incidents. And without the ability to rule in or rule out the network during an outage, you've probably had to page network engineers as a standard practice, placing pressure on those teams, especially when those pages arrive in the middle of the night. We've now democratized access to network performance data for ops teams and developers so you can quickly rule out or in the network during an incident without needing to pull network engineers away from their work or sleep. NPM helps you answer the question, is it the network, faster? And in doing so, helps you achieve three simple goals. Streamline detection of where the problem lies, either in the network, the code, or the infrastructure. Improve MTTR. By understanding which layer of your stack is impacting performance, you can apply resources more quickly and in a more focused manner to resolve the issue. And when the network is the cause, now armed with the data, you can collaborate more closely with network engineers to restore services. Increase operational efficiency. By removing the dependency on network engineers, you no longer need to page them just in case. And with AI, you can discover anomalous behavior without having to spend time digging through the data. Our solution supports on-prem network data for all major versions of SNMP and flow data, including streaming telemetry, IPFix, SFlow, and NetFlow. It's important to note that network data is highly cardinal, meaning the unique combinations of key value pairs. New Relic's telemetry data platform was designed and built to ingest and query high cardinality data quickly, giving you the ability to ask ad hoc, unanticipated questions of your data, ultimately giving you the details you need to pinpoint the cause of issues. But the data is only as useful as your ability to analyze it. And this is where our immersive analytical tools come into play. Network data is synthesized into entities, classifying data into switches, routers, flow devices, etc. And all of this performance data can be correlated with that of applications, infrastructure, and end-user digital experiences. Coupled with the previously mentioned AI capabilities, intelligent alerting, and workloads, means that you have the ability to detect and resolve issues across your entire stack like never before.